Hey everybody, it's Mary. It's another windy day, as you can tell by my hair. I'm going to do an experiment and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. You may have done this before, you may have heard about this, but we're going to test it out. Do you have rabbits? What do you do with the rabbit pee? A lot of people mix it with water and you can use it as a fertilizer because it's got a lot of nitrogens in it, or use it to spray on your plants as a pest deterrent or repellent. But what I have read this morning, if you pour rabbit pee directly on grass, it will kill it. So I don't know. We have a lot of rabbit pee because we have a lot of rabbits. As you have seen in my previous videos, we have a rabbit system in place where we're not doing very many pans whatsoever in our barn. And when they go to the bathroom, it goes down into a little linoleum swing. The pee runs out and the poop kind of stays in there for a very, very quick overview. And I'm emptying the pee out right now, and I'm going to pour it underneath our fence. And we're going to wait a few days and we're going to check it again to see if indeed it does kill the grass. As you can see, look at the sky. Okay, so no clouds in the sky, no rain in the forecast for a few days, so let's hope this works. If it does, I've saved myself a bundle on being able to kill weeds just by what I already have in my barn. So, guys, that's 3/4 of a 5-gallon bucket of rabbit pee. So let's see how it works. If you've ever successfully killed grass with rabbit pee, let me know, because I can't wait to find out. I've got my fingers crossed that it's going to work. Guys, I'm probably going to have to lay the phone down for a second because this is heavy. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm putting it right underneath this fence row. Hopefully it doesn't get too far out into the areas where Bob has to mow. But I think I'm pouring it thick enough that, we should tell the difference if it's going to work. Yeah, there's a few pellets, guys. It happens. But, hey, that's an experiment, and we'll learn together. We got about a 10-foot section. I don't know how long it's supposed to take until it works, but we'll figure it out.